1000 Inventions That Changed the World Padlock. The padlock has a rich historical background, evolving over centuries to become the ubiquitous security device it is today. Its development can be traced back to ancient civilizations, where early forms of locks and keys were used to safeguard valuable possessions and property. Key points about the padlock. Ancient origins. The concept of locking mechanisms dates back thousands of years, with evidence of rudimentary locks and keys found in ancient civilizations such as Egypt, Mesopotamia, and China. These early locks were often made of wood or metal and used simple mechanisms to secure doors, chests, and other containers. Medieval Europe. The Middle Ages saw significant advancements in lock technology, with the introduction of more sophisticated designs and materials. Iron and brass became common materials for crafting locks, and skilled locksmiths developed intricate mechanisms to enhance security. Padlocks, featuring a shackle attached to a body and operated by a key, emerged as a popular choice for securing doors, gates, and chests. Industrial Revolution. The Industrial Revolution brought about further innovations in lock manufacturing, as advances in metalworking and mass production techniques made locks more affordable and accessible. Padlocks became standardized in design, with manufacturers producing a wide range of sizes and styles to meet diverse security needs. Modern Era. In the 20th century, the padlock underwent further refinements, with the introduction of new materials and technologies. Brass and steel remained common choices for padlock construction, but innovations such as combination locks and disc detainer mechanisms offered alternative security solutions. Additionally, the development of hardened steel shackles and anti-pick features enhanced the resistance of padlocks to tampering and forced entry. Applications. Padlocks have been used to secure a wide variety of items, including doors, gates, locker, bicycles, and luggage. They are commonly employed in both residential and commercial settings, providing a convenient and effective means of securing property and belongings. Symbolism. Beyond their practical function, padlocks have also taken on symbolic meanings in various cultures and contexts. They are often associated with concepts of security, protection, and secrecy, and are frequently used as visual motifs in art, literature, and design. Evolution of security. The evolution of the padlock reflects broader trends in the development of security technology and the ongoing quest to protect against unauthorized access and theft. While modern electronic security systems have emerged as alternative solutions, padlocks continue to be widely used due to their simplicity, reliability, and versatility. In conclusion, the padlock has a long and storied history, evolving from ancient locking mechanisms to become an essential tool for securing property and belongings in the modern era. Its enduring popularity and widespread use attest to its effectiveness as a symbol of security and protection.